In this video, I'll show you how to set, reset and change the code on a Smith & Locke digital door lock. First, you take the screw off from the back, and when you take the screw off, then slowly, gently take these two parts off from the door. And after that, this type of door you can see on the other side, like these little holes in there. And if you look clearly, then you can see all these red lines is one side, and then from this also in one side. So now it's unlocked, no code has been set. So you can see you can turn it and then lock will be unlocked. Now it will not open, but if you press the C, it will be open again. Anything you press, it will be locked. Pressing C, it will release. So if we want to give a code, for example 1 2 3, you can see here. So taking a flathead screwdriver like on this video, you can turn this screw to clockwise. Now you see the red lines, all the rest of them on the same side, those three on the other side. Now you see like it's locked. Even pressing C doesn't work. If you press 1 2 3, and it's unlocked, and again it's locked. So pressing C will not open it. You need to give the code, so it will unlock. Similarly, if you press like for example 5 and then give 1 2 3, it will not unlock. So pressing C and then 1 2 3 will unlock. So on this type of lock, there is no exact pattern. Like 1 2 3 you can give any way, like 2 3 1, it will unlock. Again 2 1 3, it will unlock. So you don't need to give like 1 2 3. You can give any, like just these three letter. If it's there, it will unlock. So any way you can give, like just make sure you give C first, and then you press those keys and to unlock. So now we'll fit it back again. So this is still metal. You need to put it in the right way and then check whether it's turning the door lock or not. So make sure you check it first before like putting the actual lock here. Like to put the lock here, you need to be careful and then put it in the right measure. So by turning like the lock, you can see whether it's turning. And before you put the other side, give your code and then try again whether it's in the right way. And then now you can maybe do the on this side as well. The other side will be inside the door, inside the room. So do it like a little bit slowly and then put in the right hole the steel metal, the metal bit. And now just give the screws back in again, and then you are done. If you just take your time and then do it, you can do it really good.